Welcome to the quantum realm, where the rules of the game are, well, let's just say they're not your grandma's checkers. Quantum computing is like stepping into a sci-fi movie, except it's real, and it doesn't require popcorn, though popcorn never hurts. The quirky quantum basics. First off, quantum computing is all about qubits. Think of them as the chameleons of the computing world. Unlike regular bits that are as predictable as two-option menu 0 or 1, qubits can be in a superposition, which is a fancy way of saying they can be both at the same time. It's like if Schrödinger's cat learned to code. Potential applications. The quantum wish list. Quantum computing has a wish list that would make even Santa jealous. For starters, it could revolutionize cryptography, making your data as secure as Fort Knox. Then there's optimization, where quantum computers could solve puzzles faster than a toddler can dismantle your living room. And let's not forget about AI and machine learning. Quantum computing could boost their brains to Einstein levels. Challenges, quantum headaches, but it's not all quantum rainbows and butterflies. Building a practical quantum computer is tougher than convincing a cat to take a bath. Qubits are sensitive little things that get all flustered by noise and errors. And scaling them up, that's like trying to organize a party for cats. Hurting them is just the beginning. Quantum computing, the future or just hype? Well, it's a bit of both. It's like the hoverboard of the computing world. It sounds cool and we really want it to work, but we're not quite there yet. Researchers are on it though, working hard to turn this quantum dream into a reality. In conclusion, quantum computing is a wild ride through the laws of physics, with the potential to change the world as we know it. It's got its challenges, but hey, what's a little quantum turbulence on the way to the future? Stay safe, stay secure, and keep your eyes peeled on your qubits twirling. Quantum computing is coming to a reality near you. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.